Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Letter from My Bed by Boywithuke. This song has been requested by like 1,000 of you guys. So I figured, it's probably time that I figure out these chords and teach you guys how to play it. So let's go ahead and get to it. Make sure you got your ukuleles. Make sure they're in tune. G, C, E, A, standard ukulele tuning. And yeah, let's get to the chords. There's only 4 main chords in the song, and then there's just like a little thing that he does in the intro, but he only does it like 1 time. So I'll get there once we get there. But let's go over the chords first. I want to thank you guys for always requesting songs and supporting my channel so much. I can't believe we've grown so much the past year, but I'm hoping next year we skyrocket even faster. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you're not subscribed and you're watching this tutorial, just go down and hit the subscribe button. It really helps my channel out and I really appreciate it. So let's get to the tutorial. Okay, so the 4 main chords that he uses in this song are F major 7 down here on the 5th fret. What you want to do is bar this whole 5th fret and then put your ring finger on the 7th fret right there on the bottom string. That is an F major 7. Then the chord after that is a C7. So what you're going to want to do is keep this finger barred on the 5th fret, and then what you want to do is put your pinky on that bottom string of the 7th fret, your ring finger on the 2nd string of the 7th fret, and then your middle finger on that 3rd string right in between them on the 6th fret. C7. The next 2 chords are a lot easier. It is a C major 7, which is just 1 finger on this bottom string of the 2nd fret. And then the final chord is an A minor, which is just 1 finger on the top string of the 2nd fret. So all together, F major 7, C7, C major 7, and A minor. Let's go ahead and get to the strumming pattern. Okay, so the strumming pattern for this song is just going to be a simple down, up, down, up. That is the whole thing for the whole song. Just down, up, down, up. And then you kind of just want to mute afterwards so the strings don't ring out. It'll sound fine if you don't, but it just sounds more like this song. So if you're playing the F major 7, you want to do down, up, mute. So you can either just place your hand on it, whichever way you want, as long as you just stop the strings from ringing out. But even if you do, it'll sound like this. It's not terrible, but the song sounds like this. And yes, the song is those 4 chords in the same order that I showed you for the verses, the chorus, and everything. The only difference is the intro part, and I'll go ahead and show you that. All right, so for the intro, he plays the F major 7, the C7, the C major 7, and the A minor. But then he does this thing where it's basically the same shape as the F major 7, but you do it on the 3rd fret, and you just do down, up 2 times. So you do down, up, then you move to the 4th fret, down, up, and then you just go back to the same thing as all the other stuff. So what that's going to sound like once you put the whole intro together is going to sound like this, starting with the F major 7. And then that's the entire song. The rest is just F major 7, C7, C major 7, and A minor. All right, well, I hope that video helped you guys learn how to play Letter from My Bed by Boywithuke. And yes, I'm going to be working on his unreleased minute-long songs, as you've seen in the last tutorial when I did Hopeless Romantic. It's definitely a journey trying to figure out the chords for all the songs that are unreleased, because you can't find the chords anywhere. I literally have to watch his videos in like slow motion and see what chords he plays. But it's a fun time, and I love showing these songs to you guys and teaching you how to play them. So yeah. But also, look out for my music. I'm gonna be making a Christmas song, and I'll probably make a video on like how to make a Christmas song or something, some fun stuff like that. So stay tuned for those videos, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for all the support you guys always give me. And I'll see you guys later.
A creature with two heads, sleeping into beds. Is it sweet or is it dead?